Namaskaram, Vande Guru Paramparam. My name is Akshay. Me and my mother Chitra will be your host for this year's Navaratri Golu.
Golu or Bommai Kolu is a display of figurines set up during the festival of Navaratri in the southern states of India. It represents the assembly of goddess Durga who set out to battle the demon Mahishasura for 9 days, eventually defeating him on the 10th day. The Golu way of celebration is also used to teach ancient Puranas or stories, epics, etc. to next generation by narrating stories using dolls. These 9 days are celebrated for three goddesses: Saraswati, goddess of education, Lakshmi, goddess of wealth, and Parvati, goddess of power. This year, we have two themes. Sarvam Shivamayam is our central theme for the main Golu, and Meaningful Sanatana Dharma as our theme for the kids section. Indians had a great long tradition of transmitting knowledge through bedtime stories, but we have lost this habit due to the invention of internet and television. This has led to many of the current and younger generations ignoring our ancient traditions and merely considered it as a formality. Our attempt is to practically explain some of the wonderful scientific treasures buried in those beautiful stories. That is, learning complex science facts using simple stories. This helps us to learn more about our glorious tradition in the past. We are keen to learn from others and please forgive us if we have made any mistakes. Let's move on to our central theme, Sarvam Shivamayam. As part of our central theme, we have depicted different forms of Shiva. The top one representing Ardhanarishwara, where the right side of Shiva represents a masculine form and the left side is feminine. Both these energies are present in every human being. A perfect balance between Pingala, masculine, and Ida, feminine, is essential for us to reach our full potential. On your left, you will see Shiva represented as Kala Bhairava, and on the right, Shiva is represented in the Linga form made of ice as seen in the Amarnath caves. Mount Kailash itself is considered to be Shiva and is an abode of Shiva and his consort Parvati. Manasarovar and Rakshasthal lakes are displayed, which are located very close to Mount Kailash in the Himalayan region. Panchabhutalingas are situated in southern part of India. Nataraja in Chidambaram represents space or Akasha. Chidambara Rahasyam at this temple depicts the real form of Shiva as space. Kalahastishwara at Sri Kalahasti represents air or Vayu. The name Sri Kalahasti comes from Sri, a spider, Kala, a snake, and Hasti, an elephant. A spider, snake, and elephant is supposed to have worshipped this Swayambhu Shiva. A light or deepam in the Garbhagraha keeps flickering, indicating the Vayulinga. Annamalayar at Tiruvannamalai represents the fire or Agni Linga. Thousands of devotees go to Tiruvannamalai to see the Jyoti and perform Girivalam. The Jambukeshwarar at Tiruvannaikaval represent water or Jalalinga, and the Ekambareshwara seated under a mango tree made of sand represents earth or Prithvi. It is said that Parvati made this Prithvi Linga using sand. We then have displayed the 12 Jyotirlingas spread across India. Every linga has its own speciality and may enable certain chakras in the human body. People in ancient times are said to visit different Shiva temples depending on their spiritual needs. In order to have more participation from us, all these Shiva statues were made at home using all purpose floor, cardboard, and styrofoam. The dolls displayed on the left and right of the central theme depict various gods and goddesses, avatars, Puranas, or stories and common life. The top four steps to your left depict Mahavishnu, and his avatars along with Brahma and Shiva. The fifth step shows Hanuman, Nataraja, Lord Ayyappa, Goddess Saraswati. The next step depicts Adi Shankara and Kanakadara story, Sage Thiruvalluvar, and some common life figurines. The last step displayed the 18 famous Siddhas, including Rishi Agastya, who is supposed to have written the first Tamil grammar literature, and Patanjali, who is the source yogic sciences. On the far left, we have various forms of Buddha and Krishna displayed as Loka Rakshaka guarding a village. We also have displayed around the importance of Pradosham time, Ashtalakshmi, Andal Jananam, and Garuda Vahanam. On your right, top two rows depict the goddesses Saraswati, goddess of education, Lakshmi, goddess of wealth, and Parvati or Shakti, goddess of power, along with Kamadhenu, the cow that gives everything. The next two rows display Arupade Veedu or the six abodes of Lord Muruga, Kartikeya, Kartiga girls, and the famous story of Mango, due to which Muruga goes and sees Himala hills. Fifth to seventh row displays a baby shower function, Tanjore Brihadishwara temple, and a temple chariot plus other common village scenes in India. The last step also shows the Kumbakonam degree coffee in an abstract form. On your far right, we have Lord Ganesha in different forms along with Lord Balaji or Venkatesha.
Hello, kids! We have a lot of interesting stories depicted using dolls and statues. On your far left, the main theme explains about the Chatur Yugas.
Satya Yuga, spiritual age, Treta Yuga, mental age, Dwapara Yuga, energy age, and Kali Yuga, material age.
Our solar system is in the Milky Way galaxy and it revolves around a bigger sun called Rudra or Rorer.
When our solar system is close to Rudra, it is called Satya Yuga, and when it is far away, it is Kali Yuga.
Dharma is maintained at its best when in Satya Yuga.
Our galaxy is surrounded by a number of other galaxies, and this is depicted using smaller train.
Vibrations led to the creation of universe as per modern science. The sound vibration that is heard in space similar to Om, and this is why Om is considered to be the Pranava mantra.
The black hole in the Milky Way galaxy is the epicenter of creation, which can be equated to the Vishnu Nabi from where Brahma and other creations happened.
In front of this display, you will also see the Milky Ocean churning, Samudra Manthan doll. This is again the complex concept of creation and Milky Way galaxy explained using the beautiful story of Milky Ocean churning.
Vedas are a wealth of knowledge and wisdom. Nasa Diya Suktam explains the creation of this universe beautifully. In addition to this, the display also talks about the real meaning of some of the stories, explaining moon and star marriage, Panchakosha, meaning and use of temple kalasam, ancient shields in the same longitude, age-old tradition of seeing Arundhati star during marriages, no start or end to Shiva equating to the ever-expanding space, etc.
It's time I have to move on. Hope you enjoyed all these stories. I'm sure I have generated some interest in you to know more about the Sanatana Dharma, India's ancient culture, Puranas, etc. We are keen to learn more about Sanatana Dharma and we could have made mistakes unknowingly. Please forgive us if we have communicated anything wrong through this message. Please share your interpretation of the stories. It will be a great opportunity to learn from each other. Thank you for listening.